What is up guys, it's Nostalgia here and welcome back to another video. So I am really excited because Realme has recently launched the Realme Band, an amazing and exciting product from Realme which was released on 15th of June, almost 3 to 4 days ago. And the device was actually announced on last Thursday along with the Realme earbuds Neo. So this device has a lot of exciting features. Talking about the general specs, it has a 90 milliamp hour battery and Realme claims that it can last as long as 10 days. Moving on to more specs, we have 9 different sports modes, we have the heart rate sensor, we have the music control and a lot more stuff you can do with it. You can have your notifications of your phone by connecting it through Realme Link, and we are going to go through each and everything in this video. It's going to be a detailed one, so let's start. Alright guys, welcome back here. We are going to unbox the Realme Band. Let's first have an overview of the box, what's written on the back side. We have a large color display. I would say it's not actually really big, and a real-time heart monitor. So let's see how it works. Cable-free charging, that would be an awesome feature. And you can get app notifications. You got several sports detection modes, 9 according to Realme, and you got IP68 waterproof. But actually the Realme team has suggested it's only dust and water resistant. It's not exactly a waterproof watch because it can get damaged if being in water for a long time. So it can survive a little dip, but I'm not sure if it can actually go for like swimming, or it can survive a fall if it gets flushed while you are taking a shit. I'm sorry for using the bad language. Okay, let's open it. I already opened it, so it's just an overview of how it actually looks like when you unbox the thing. Here the box is empty, but there must be something inside. Let's pull this out. We have a little leaflet here. Looking at the specs, we have a battery capacity of 90 milliamp hour and 3.8 volt charging. Takes about 2 hours to charge. 20 gram, very lightweight, and some of the other things that doesn't really matter to us. Okay, now keeping this on the side. Wait, where the hell is our watch? Oh, I forgot this. So you have to look inside. No, oh, look at that, the watch is on the other side. Alright, pulling the watch can be a bit annoying for you, so just push it on one side and then push it a bit more, and here, that's how your watch will look like. So we will remove this thing. I'm going to paste it right here. This is the Realme watch. It's already charged because I charged it anyways. And there is only one key. The display has no touch. There's just one touch button. If you press it, you will see the time, and if you press it again and again, you will have the modes. And in order to make any mode work, you will have to hold the button, like you have to run. So when you will hold, it will start running. Let's move to the other modes. We have running, walk, fitness, and music control, and find your phone, about also. Now let's go to the bigger part. How is this going to work with your smartphone? So here I have my smartphone, Realme 6 Pro, and you will go to the Realme Link app. You can download it from Google Play Store, and here's an option to link the device. The Bluetooth is already turned on, so make sure your Bluetooth is turned on as well as your Wi-Fi. And let's bring it back to its home screen. This is actually the home screen of your watch. Here's we'll search for nearby devices, and it's showing us the Realme Band. So let's see what happens when we see the Realme Band. Make sure your devices are close together as mentioned here. Make sure your devices are close together as mentioned here, and here it is. So they say press the long touch button on the band. Now if you will just press it, the connection will fail. You may face this problem, but don't worry, because the problem is that you have to hold the button for like 3 seconds. Like that. And see, it's connected now, so don't panic and don't worry about that. I was also panicked for a while, but then I figured it out. Now let's get started. Of course, I'm a male. Let's select my date of birth. Set goal. 10,000 would be enough. Well, I hardly even go for 10,000. So our device is connected now. Now what it can do, we will accept this. Actually, I connected it already. It was just a fake unboxing, I'm telling you guys. So there is all the data I already have. I slept. My last night's sleep data is here, and I did wake for a while between the sleep, just when I turned off my alarm and I slept again. So I'm a really lazy kind of person. Here's my heart rate. Its details are here. Minimum was 49, probably when I was sleeping, right here, and also went up to 101. I'm not sure when this happened. Probably I panicked sometime, maybe. I'm not sure about that. So let's go to the settings now. This is where we get the control of our watch. We have the watch faces or the themes. So right now you can see it's matching this one. If we set this one, so you will see this one on the watch now. Similarly, you change this one, different, or will show you different things. This is the default one because I like this one because you can see the battery icon in that one. Now moving on to our next modes. We have the notifications of our smartphone. Let's turn them on. I will go with the SMS, and I will go with the WhatsApp also. Show message only when screen is off. It's okay. This is the get up reminder. So the Realme Band will give you a vibration when you are sleeping while wearing it, and similarly the alarm clock, you can add one. It's also similarly a vibration. There is no ringtone at all, so this will be like I'm setting it to, let's say, 6 a.m. Get out of bed. Okay, now this is 24 hours heart rate monitoring. So your device will keep on measuring your heart rate. You can set the interval after how many minutes it should check your heart rate, 5, 10, 20, or you don't want to do that. I have set it to 5 minutes, and it will also give you high and low heart rate alert. You can set at what heart rate you should be worried. Your device will start vibrating, maybe. I'm not sure because I haven't hit that much BPM so far. And on the low one you can set 50. Similarly, the water reminder, this is an amazing function. Your device will notify you to drink water. You can set the interval between what time you can get notified and what after how many hours should it be. Like you can set the interval for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can even increase it to 2.5 hours. I set it to 1 hour, and it's between 7 to 11. So it will vibrate and you will see a notification of drink water after every hour, like at 8 a.m., then 9 and 10 and so on. Now moving on to our next mode. Here's the sports mode. You have cricket, yoga and running at a moment. So you can have 3 modes at a moment, but you can switch between the others. Let's say at the add option, you disable one, you disable this one, so I can take it as walking and workout instead of these other 6 modes. The device will show you like that. Here's the steps, heart rate, cricket. It's actually not updated yet, so when we will press the back key we will be having these things. Okay, now let's see. Its fitness is here, and we have the heart rate, we have run, walk and fitness now. So that's how it does the job. Moving on to the next functions, we have the brightness of the device. Now the device brightness would be lowered. It's pretty low now. Let's turn it back to the max level. Should be maxed out now. Okay, so that's how the brightness function works, and these are the custom functions. Right now you can see something on the screen that's an update. You might have noticed some more features added because the watch doesn't come with them. You will have to update it when you will go to the device upgrade option. Mine is already updated now. So these options, let me show you what are they. The options are of stopwatch and the music playback control. Let me show you how this works. So first of all, we can only select, I think, two functions at a time among these four of them. So I am going to use the music playback and the find phone option. These two are more important in my opinion. Similarly, you can set the heart rate range. What should be your maximum heart rate? Let's suppose I say 135. Okay, now let's do the cool stuff with this Realme Band. So here is our music. Let's say we have Senorita on the track. Let me turn up the volume, and now I'm going to play it and switch between the music using our band. And here we go. This is the music control. So in order to open any function, you have to hold it like that. You can see this bubble is blowing, and the option on the white is is your current option. So if you keep on pressing, your option will get switched with a tap, and if you hold, your option will be selected. Let's say I am holding it, so the song will be played now. You can hear the voice. So now I'm going to pause it. It's paused now. Now we are going to play it again, and we are going to switch to some other next or previous music. Let's go to the previous one. Okay, let's go to the next one. And similarly, we can go to the previous one. Again, Senorita, we can go to another previous music. So this function works really cool. So now I'm going to pause it because we are not here to listen to songs. Alright, in order to get back, you will go to the cross and you will hold it so that you will be back to your music control. Similarly, this is the find your phone option. For example, your phone is lost somewhere but your band is connected, so you will just open the find phone and you will hold it like that. So your phone will start ringing. This is a very cool feature. Then you'll just have to tap it for once, and when you'll find your phone, you can just tap it, so it's all done. These are the features we have. Let's check the heart rate now. It's better to keep it as much tight as you can so that the sensor accurately measures the heart rate or any kind of motion, like the rotation can detect it. Is it measuring the heart rate? I think it is. That's 66. It's some previous figure, I'm not sure when. 79, 78, 76, 75, 4. Is my heart rate dropping down? So it's at 74 beats per minute right now. Okay, in all that time we missed one feature. Let me show it to you. There was two features that I actually missed: the landscape settings, and this is not actually anyone would like because the watch looks way more better in the portrait mode. Moving on to our next function, there was which one? Yes, this function, the raise to wake up. So the raise to wake up is actually you have to twist your wrist like that, and it will show you the time or the screen that you have selected on the band. And you can set a time for that. It's between 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So you can actually keep it to 24/7 by keeping it from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. That means you can use this function for the whole day. Okay, our heart rate has gone a bit more up. somewhere between 80 and 85 now. So now that the device is all blacked out, now I will twist it like that and you will see here's the time. So that's how this features raise to wake up command works. We can try it another time once again. That's how it works. So that's all we have. The device is IP68, but it's not actually totally water resistant watch. And here we have one more thing, our exercise logs. We can exercise right now using the map. We can set our goal and we can connect it to the GPS for better options. Similarly, we have the sleep patterns, heart rate. That's all we have in the watch. So guys, now we have to look through how this watch charges. What's the charging mechanism? So let me tell you one thing, that you have to do this like that. It may feel a bit risky to you, but that's how we do it. And you can see that there is a little charging strip. So where you have to insert this strip, you can use any charger. I have this Samsung charger here. You just plug out the cable. So you just have to plug this side inside like that, and it's all in now. And then you have to plug it into any kind of any switchboards, and it will give you a red light. Let me show you how it will give you a red light. Okay guys, so I'm plugging it in now and we are going to press the button. Here you can see a red light, and when the battery will be full, it will be totally blank. It will be all the screen. That's all we have for the charging of Realme Band. Now let's move towards outdoor display and a bit of steps recording. Alright guys, so right now I'm recording this in open light, like direct sunlight, and you can see the display. It's not looking as good as it's supposed to be. Let's press the button. Here's the steps. Not sure if you can see it that clear. Even right now the sun is not like exactly on the top. Time appears good, 7:46, and the steps are I think 561. So that's the display in the open light. Alright, so this was a Realme Band, and I would honestly say it's good, but at the same time you can also consider some other options. To be honest, honestly speaking, you can also go for Mi Band 4. You can compare these two, whichever you like. It has an AMOLED display, better IP68 or 67 also, I think. I'm not sure, it's up to you what you think. I got it for 3000 rupees in Pakistan, but the actual price is 4000 these days. Realme is giving it for sale on saman.pk. I will give you a link in the description for the website. It's only flash sale between 10 p.m. to 9 p.m. at night, so you have to be really quick for that. And that's all we have. Thank you very much. Thanks again. Thanks for watching the video, and I will be doing some more reviews of our device, the Realme 6 Pro. This device is insane, and it's an underrated device because people think it's something that you shouldn't buy, but I would say this is a beast. It has a next level processor, 720G, and 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. That's an amazing thing. So make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the video, so that if you have any concern for Realme 6 Pro, that I will be there to clear each and everything. Thanks all. Stay blessed, stay safe in your home, don't hang out, keep watching YouTube. Fuzzy out.